Welcome back to Millionaire Moves. Today, I'm excited to share 7 online businesses you can start with zero money in 2025. No capital, no inventory, just your time, skills, and creativity. Let's jump right in. Number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is the quickest way to start earning online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you showcase your skills in writing, design, or programming. Start small, gather reviews, and gradually increase your rates. Pro tip: specialize in one niche, clients pay more for experts. Number 2, or phoned, content creation. You don't need fancy gear for content creation. A smartphone will do. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or a blog, content is key to attracting attention, and attention equals money. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Post regularly and watch your growth. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products and earning commissions. Join free programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank to get started. Use blogs, social media, or email lists to drive traffic to your links. Pick products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity boosts sales. Number 4, print on demand. With print on demand, you can design t-shirts and mugs without holding inventory. Sites like Printful handle printing and shipping for you. You only pay when you make a sale. How cool is that? Use trending designs and leverage TikTok for organic traffic. Number 5, managing social media. Small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you know how to create engaging content, you can charge monthly retainers. Offer free starter packages to attract clients, then upsell later. Number 6, online tutoring. Got a skill in math, languages, or business? Online tutoring is for you. Websites like Preply let you teach from the comfort of your home. All you need is Zoom and a PayPal account to get started. Create group sessions to maximize your time and income. Number 7, create digital products. Digital products like ebooks and courses can sell forever once created. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy let you sell without upfront costs. Think about creating simple guides based on your expertise and scale from there. And there you have it, 7 online businesses you can start in 2025 with $0. The best business is the one you actually start. So choose one today and take action. Don't forget to subscribe for more Millionaire Moves.